2017 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. It's got really custom bumpers, all that artwork in there. Got airbags on it, air suspension, nice wheels, custom to the max. Really beautiful truck. He had long tube headers put on somewhere else, there and there. Then it's got high flow cats there and there. Then it winds into a single there. And then what we put on it for him, he wanted something special on this one. We put a vibrant, part number VIB 17950. It's 5-inch round, 14 inches long, 3-inch in and out. Large diameter, bottle style, right there. He wanted it deep, he didn't want a lot of sound. He wanted more throaty unless he gets on it, and that's what vibrant gives you. Then we did 2.5-inch pipe to clear because he's got the airbag suspension there. You guys can see, there it is. Okay. So we did 2.5-inch pipe because all his old pipe was hitting. You see it right there. So we made it clear for him all the way on top. And then he wanted Corvette style in the middle. We said, okay, we'll do it. So there's all the muffler stuff. There's the tips right in the center. Chevy Silverado LT Z71. There's more of the custom artwork on the rear bumper and front bumper. Really cleanly done. Really beautiful. And now the exhaust looks beautiful too, which is what it needed right there. So like always guys, if you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for the tips and that vibrant right there. Oh, that's awesome. Wow, it's different. Oh man. Oh, it's got the high flow cats. It screams. Oh my god. And it tickles my ears. Again. Rev it up, Herbert. Yeah, again. 118. Look at that. That's awesome. Back up. Sorry. It's still here. It sounds so good.